Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. Ako ay si EMMANUEL M. De Vera. Akong report karon ng adlaw is about drain and vent pipe design. Part ni siya, akong report part ni sa chapter 14 ng title kay Sanitary Drainage System. Ang sanitary drainage system, recap lang siya. The purpose of a sanitary drainage system is to remove effluent discharge from plumbing fixtures and other equipment. Dahil na mag-start ako ang report. Drainage fixture units or DFU. The draining rate of plumbing fixtures is based upon the drainage fixture unit, DFU. Refer to table 1, nakagibuhat na table 1, makita natin ito niya. Similar to the water supply fixture unit introduced in chapter 13. The DFU is an arbitrarily chosen measure that allows all of types of plumbing fixtures to be expressed in common terms. That is a fixture having twice the instantaneous drainage flow rate of a second fixture would have a fixture unit value twice as large. The WSFU and DFU may differ slightly for a single fixture because the rates of filling and draining are different. The DFU drainage fixture unit values is defined by the Uniform Plumbing Code UPC and can be used to determine required drainage capacities from fixtures and their service systems. A fixture unit is not a flow rate unit but a design factor based on the rate of discharge, time of operation, and frequency of use of a fixture. A fixture unit is equal to 1 cubic foot of water drained in an 1 in 1/4 pipe over 1 minute. Fixture units are used in plumbing design for both water supply or atong ginatawag na WFSO and wastewater DFU. So bali ang kining drainage fixture units nako na ginatawag mo siya ang ibig sabihin ani kay wastewater ang ato ang mga na waste na water ba. Since the fixtures in a system are never used all at the same time, the total units capacity achieved by adding the numbers for all fixtures must be compensated for intermittent use if we want a realistic estimated of the total drainage load. Nakabutang dere, paano ba magsulat-sulat na? Kabutang dere kay matotal ang units gamit ang by adding numbers for all fixtures must be compensated for intermittent use if want a realistic thing. Babalaan nyo na siya unya guys sa ako ang table unya o napog ko example para mas lalo na ito siyang masabtan. Design approach. The approach used to size, drain, and vent lines relies on tabular information found in code. In table 2, nakoy table 2 na ko, makita na to dito, indicates the maximum load in BFU and maximum pipe length for a given pipe diameter. The minimum pipe diameter is based on the total connected BFU. In the case of vent lines, the maximum developed length for a given pipe is also a criterion. Developed length is the centerline length of the lines, excluding troughs and trough arms. It is important to ensure that a larger pipe diameter does not flow into a pipe having a smaller diameter. So, bali dili not flow the pipe of smaller diameter. Mo na ang table 1 ako. Mo na siya ang drainage fixture unit or DFU na to and minimum trap size for selected plumbing fixtures. Hindi naman siguro na ako na isa-isahon guys pero mo na ang fixtures ni sa automatic dishwasher. Kumbaga yung trap niya size kung inches is 1 and 1/2. Kung sa mm millimeters is 38. Ang drainage fixtures units niya teka lang, sorry. Ang automatic dishwasher dahil guys, wala na siya kay naka-auto man, ibig sabihin, wala siya minimum trap size inches o minimum trap size millimeter. Ang naalan siya kay drainage fixture units. So 3. Ang bathtub group, water closet, lavatory, and bathtub or shower stall, minimum trap niya is 1/2 and kung sa millimeter is 38, yung drainage fixture units kay 6. So, wala na yung mga guidelines niya guys. Ay. Ano gyapon na to niya guys, naka example. Yan ako na kanon isa-isahon kay taas kayo. Drainage fixture units and minimum trap size for selected plumbing fixtures. Traps and trap arms are sized based on a specific type of fixtures. Refer to a table 1 for minimum trap sizes. Some fixtures such as urinals and water closets have integral traps built into a fixture, so trap size does not need to be specified. Example 1. The following number and type of plumbing fixtures serve 2 apartment units, 2 tubs, 2 water closets, 2 laboratories, and 2 kitchen sinks. Assume the horizontal fixture branch serving these fixtures flows into the waste stack. Flows. Assume the vent stack extends through the roof and is 22 feet long. Determine the minimum pipe diameter required for the horizontal fixture branch, waste stack, and vent stack. For solution number 1, pumutan from table 1, balikan itong table 1. The DFU values for the plumbing fixtures are extracted. Drainage fixtures units are then totaled. The 2 tubs, ang DFU niya kay 2. Kung tanawan na ito dito sa table 1, bathtub ba to? O, 2 ka bathtub daw. Bali, bathtub, kini. Bathtub, 2 ka bathtub daw, bali, yung DFU units niya is 2. So, 2 times 2 is, yung DFU niya is 4 na. So, 2 ka water closets, times mo sa DFU niya, 4 is 2 times 4 is 8. And laboratories, 2 ka laboratories, yung drainage fixture units niya is 1. So, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 ka kitchen sink and drainage fixture units niya, 2 is 2 times 2 is a 4. So, the total of drainage fixture units is 18. Assume the horizontal fixture branch serving these fixtures flows into the waste stack Assume given stack. So for the horizontal fixtures branch from table 2, a 3 in diameter pipe is selected. A 3 in diameter pipe used as a horizontal fixture branch can serve as up to 20 DFU. So, muna ang table 2. Maximum drainage fixture units, DFU, that may be connected to horizontal fixture branch and stack based on a pipe size. Nominal pipe diameter. Inches is 1.5 to muna ang line. For inches, for millimeter, any horizontal fixture branch says kung sa 1/2 mo one stack of 3 branch intervals or less. Total for stack total at 1 branch interval. A does not include branches of the building drain. Not more than 2 water closets or bathroom groups within branch interval, nor more than 6 water closets or bathroom groups on the stack. Atong tandaan kay ang branch interval is a length of soil waste stack receiving horizontal branches from one floor and corresponding to a one story at least 8 feet over 2.6 meter height. Table 3, muna siya ang maximum drainage fixture units that may be connected to a building drain or building sewer based on pipe size when the building drain and sewer serves as one building. Maximum drainage fixture units that may be connected to horizontal fixture branch and stack based on pipe size. For the waste stack from table 2, 2.2 inches diameter pipe can be selected, but the 3-inch diameter horizontal fixture branch would then flow into a smaller pipe. Diba? Would. Okay lang pwede ni. A 3-inch diameter waste stack is a prudent choice. Based of 2, 6. Maximum drainage fixture units that may be connected to a building drain or building sewer based on a pipe size when the building drain and sewer serves as one building. For the vent stack, for the table 4, 1.1-inch diameter pipe is selected based on a 3-inch diameter soil and waste stack and a capacity of up to 30 DFU. Sample number 2. The following number and type of plumbing fixture serve 6 apartment units with 2 apartments on each floor. 6 bathtubs, 6 water closets, 6 laboratories, and 6 kitchen sink. Assume horizontal fixture branches serving these fixtures flow into the waste stack at 3 locations, 3 intervals. Kung naman ito ganina, 3 locations and 3 intervals. Kare. Stack with more than 3 branches intervals or less. Assume into flow the waste stack. 2 apartments per interval. Assume the building drain is sloped at 1/4 in per feet, and the vent stack extends through the roof of is 42 feet long. Determine the minimum pipe diameter required for the horizontal fixture branches, waste stack, building drain, and main event stack. For solution number 2, kung tanawan na itong table 1 ganina, ang bathtub, isa-isa ka bathtub, yung DFU niya is 2. So, naman tayo unom ka bathtub, so i-times naman sa 2 is 12. 6 water closets, 4 ang DFU. So, 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12 for total of drainage fixture units is 54. For the assuming the horizontal fixture branch from table 2, a 3-inch diameter pipe is selected. A 3-inch diameter pipe used as a horizontal fixture branch can serve up to 20 DFU, 2 apartment units, 2 bathtubs, 2 water closets, 2 laboratories, and 2 kitchen sinks, a total of 18 DFU. Muna siya ang example number 1. Tanawa na, pakitanaw lang ninyo ito ulit. Dumuni ang required vent diameter and maximum length of vent based on soil and waste stack size and connected drainage fixture units. Muna ang soil or waste stack size, 4 inches. Connected drainage fixture units on stack. Required vent diagram in inches. Diagram. Required vent diameter. Maximum developed length of vent feet. Binasa na isa-isa kami guys. Mabaan na siya kung mga example, makita na siya kanawin. Kung ganina kay required vent diagram, required vent diameter and maximum length of vent based on soil. Kini siya, required vent diameter and maximum length of vent based on soil and waste stack size and connected drainage fixture units, DFU for SI metric units. So, same na gapon sila. Vent diagram, vent diameter and maximum length of vent. For the waste stack from table 2, a 4 inches diameter waste stack is selected. A 3-inch diameter pipe used as a waste stack can serve up to 240 drainage fixture units. For the building drain, from table 3, a 4 inches diameter pipe is required. A 4 inches diameter pipe used as a building drain can serve up to 216 drainage fixture unit at a slope of 1/4 inches per feet. For the bench stack from table 4, 2 1/2 inches diameter pipe is selected based on a 4 inches diameter soil and waste stack, a capacity of up to 100 DFU and a developed length of 42 feet. So, maulan na ito guys. Salamat.